Think about how much stuff we're actually doing online every single day. It's like this massive ocean of activity, right? It's endless. But here's the problem. Most of that knowledge, it just disappears. It gets fragmented, scattered, and eventually just lost in the noise. Every company stores data, but storage isn't intelligence. And in this new economy, if you're outsourcing your intelligence to someone else's model, you're basically handing over the keys to what makes you, you.
Your knowledge, your experience, the way your organization thinks, operates, and makes decisions. So what if that intelligence could stay with you?
Yes, it's a system that lives inside your company and actually learns from the way you and your team really work. Fascinating, isn't it? Every decision you make, every win, every interaction, it all stays. It compounds. It grows. Until suddenly, your organization isn't just looking at the past. It's beginning to understand the present. And more importantly, it's starting to see what could happen next. You start noticing patterns earlier, spotting risks before they grow, and seeing opportunities you might have missed. So instead of always reacting, your organization can make smarter decisions with a clearer view of what's ahead. And because it all stays inside your company, your data and the intelligence built from it stay yours. That's AIA intelligence, built to be owned.